guys sa sobrang sobrang lakas na lakan yung beach. Too much water now, too much luck. The beach is not good now. Yeah. You see, nag-crack yung niya baday, no? Nag-crack yung semento, oh. Tingnan niyo. Ang laki ng tubig, oh. Tingnan niyo, oh, nag-crack, no? Ito ngayon ang beach, nag-crack sa sobrang lakas ng tubig. Tingnan niyo, oh. Ang lakas ng tubig, no? Only here, brother? Not nice now. Ah? Yeah. Also in the other side, yeah?
Other side same?
Yeah, I see it yesterday.
This side water too much come.
Ah, that's why.
Not anywhere.
And then too much flying the things, yeah? Did you say?